Hey guys, Chef Des coming at you from my backyard. I can't tell you how excited I am to have this right here in my backyard right now. This is my La Piazza Wood Oven, Toscana size, and I'm gonna do a complete time-lapse video of building this thing and show you guys this amazing addition to my outdoor kitchen. I have a few items on the top to unpack. There's my log holder, there's the cover, and I have the tool holder, and then I've got the 5 professional tools. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and got those all unpackaged. And I have to say, like, this thing is packaged just insane, man. Like, it's everything, attention to detail to make sure nothing gets damaged in shipping. It was amazing packaging, and I'm a really attention to detail kind of guy, so I really appreciate that. And you'll see me as I'm building it there, put the box down to protect it as I'm building it, and just unwrapping every single piece to make sure that everything's in order. I always look at instructions, make sure everything's lined up and laid out for me. There I go there with the nuts and bolts. And the whole build took me about an hour, just over an hour. But I'm crazy attention to detail. There's my beautiful wife, come and give me a kiss, see how I'm doing. And I found it best to build it upside down, so these are literally just bolt, washer on the outside and nut on the inside to do the 4 legs and the frame, the top frame. Really simple. Instructions are very well laid out. Like I said, it's just amazing. And this thing is a brute. Like, this is high quality 304 stainless steel. There's the bottom shelf. Obviously will be in the bottom once we flip it over. And laying out everything for the wheels. Make sure you put in the wheels, the locking ones on the front. It says there clearly on the instructions which one is the front, which is the back, and the sides sort of thing. You can choose front or back. But making sure everything is hand tight. So everything in the frame, you see it wiggling there, is hand tight. The wheels are hand tight. Now I'm going through, you'll need a 1/2 inch wrench and a 1/2 inch socket. The nut is 1/2 inch, the bolt is 1/2 inch, so it's really simple. Making sure that everything is tight. Using the box for this stand is perfect, so I can flip it over easily onto its wheels. And this thing's packaged in wood, so I went to go see if my neighbors were available, because this thing's heavy too, to help me. But they weren't, so I came back and we did it later in the evening. So got them over, my neighbor and his 2 sons. This thing's a brute. Like, this is very high quality, man. I'm so impressed with this. It's over 300 pounds. We got it lined up. There's 2 bolts that go on the bottom just to secure this to the stand. We made sure it was all lined up before I sent them home. And then I got underneath and tightened them all up. And just went through the last couple of things in the box, which was the cover. You'll see me putting it on there in a sec. There it is. And the chimney. And got the chimney cap put on there. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, folks, and click that notifications bell, because I'm going to have lots of great cooking videos on my brand new La Piazza Wood Oven coming up for you. Stay tuned.